Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a free supercar and get all the supercars within Forza Street Mobile. So what you're going to want to do first off is once you're at the home page right here, once you've completed your first tutorial race in the tournament so you can get the cars and buy them, etc. What you're going to want to do is click on the right hand side little icon at the top left hand corner there, and you'll see it light up blue once you've clicked it. Then you're going to want to go to messages. And then at the bottom there it says Forza Street Mobile Launch Celebration. As I'm doing this video, it's going to expire within 26 days to get this. But I've already claimed it right here. But here it will just say claim, and you'll be able to get this free 2017 Ford GT supercar. You'll be able to get that here. I've already got it. So once you've got it, you can go right there, and you see at the top left hand corner I've got my Ford GT car. That's the one you get for free. You can go within here and then customize it, change the color of the car, etc, etc. But if you want to get all the other supercars, what you're going to want to do, if you're going to be doing it for free, as in doing it a legitimate way, you're going to have to get to certain levels. So as you can see here, the collection level right now I'm at 4, but if you go through and you'll be able to see if each level, at level 6 you get a muscle car. The first time you will be able to get a supercar will be level 14. You get a modern supercar, so you'll be able to claim that in to get a supercar. As at level 14, you'll be able to get the first one, and then you see you'll scroll there, level 18, and then so on and so forth. See level 23. I'll scroll through all of these for you right here. But you see at each of them, you'll get supercars at level 28. Too, and there's probably going to be more beyond that as well, potentially in the future. But if you want to go and get the supercars, so click where I'm on the screen right now, and then some of them might appear here. But most of the time you'll go to class, then click super, and then you'll be able to claim them there when you have enough. And obviously you can get closer to buying these things. You press plus, and you'll be able to buy them, etc. Now it's a bit annoying. Most of you probably won't be doing that, but that is how you can do it to get a supercar within the app. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this on Forza Street. Click on the screen to see more Forza Street how-tos. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.